student. I will talk today on the resistivity, conductivity and how the material conduct the electricity. We know the resistance R is equal to rho into L by A, where rho is called the resistivity or the specific resistance. Rho is equal to RA by L. RA, if R is equal to 1 ohm, similarly A is equal to 1 meter square, L is equal to 1 meter. Then rho is equal to 1 ohm meter. Rho is equal to 1 meter. That means if we say R is measured in ohm, area is measured in meter square, length is measured in meter, then SI unit of rho becomes ohm meter. SI unit of rho is equal to ohm meter. R is measured in ohm, area is measured in meter square, length is measured in meter, then SI unit of rho, that is the specific resistivity, is ohm meter. How can we define the resistivity? Resistivity. The resistance of material present, the resistance of material of a conductor present in unit length of unit cross section area is called resistivity. यूनिट लेंथ, यूनिट क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया में कंडक्टर की मटेरियल की जो रेजिस्टेंस होती है उसे हम रेजिस्टिविटी कहते हैं. ठीक है. SI यूनिट ऑलरेडी गिवन. SI यूनिट ऑफ द रेजिस्टिविटी इज द ओम मीटर. कंडक्टिविटी the reciprocal of resistivity is called conductivity of material of a conductor. That is conductivity denoted by C and having a bar line equal to 1 by rho. This is the conductivity. SI unit of conductivity equal to 1 by ohm meter, that is per ohm per meter. रेजिस्टिविटी की यूनिट होती है ओम मीटर. इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर दें तो पर ओम पर मीटर इज द रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ द. नाउ क्वेश्चन arise, the which type of material conduct electricity, and we may say which one material is a conductor, is a good conductor. The specific resistivity rho, if it having if it having the range of the 10 का power minus 8 to 10 का power minus 6 ohm meter. The specific resistance of material ranges from 10 का power minus 8 to 10 का power minus 6 is a good conductor. Is a good conductor. We may write as, see this, good conductor, the specific resistance of material ranges from 10 का power minus 8 ohm meter to 10 का power minus 6 ohm meter is a good conductor. Is a good conductor. Insulator. The specific resistance of material ranges from 10 का power 12 ohm meter to 10 का power 17 ohm meter is an insulator. That is the bad conductor. Insulator. Some metals, all the metals, is a good conductor. Alloy is also a good conductor, and the all non-metals are bad conductor. You know, all the metals elements, do you know about it, either the metals or the non-metals? Those elements which having the free electron in the materials are good conductor. They conduct electricity. Diamond, that is the allotrope of the carbons, which do not have any free electron, but the graphite having one electron free to move in the materials, so it conduct electricity. All the metals. You think this is a conductor, and you know the electrons, the metals are the compact bulk solid. These electrons are not freely moved as it smoothly move in a perfect crystal solid, because these electrons are having the metal, they are bound with the metallic bond inside a metal. The electron, you think when we give the electricity at this end, the electron from here physically reaches to this point? No. The average velocity, the average speed of electron in the metal is very least. Is very least. It is known as the drift velocity. Drift velocity. In the copper material, we can say the 1 millimeter per second. यानी कॉपर मेटल में इस ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन की होती है वह 1 मिलीमीटर पर सेकंड. लेकिन जो हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वी प्रोवाइड द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट दिस एंड, हम इस एंड पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, इट्स immediately reaches to the other end. That means nearly with the speed of the light. How is it possible? That means the electron not physically move. The energy, that is the energy transfer from one end to other end with the speed of the light. It is a full mechanism, and you will learn in the higher classes. It is a full mechanism. How this electron, that the electricity carry from the one end to the other end. You clear that the electrons never physically move from one end to the other end. Only the energy move from one end to the other end with the speed of nearly a speed of the light. Clear? In the next video, I will teach you the combination of resistance.